Hello everyone. Hopefully you're all doing good. So, today is the new day when I read a brand new lesson for Course in Miracles. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be not that easy. Yeah, it's actually not that easy to do all this work. Resistance is so strong. But yeah, I promised to myself that I'm gonna do this work and I'm doing this. Yeah, hopefully it can help to someone else to do the same work. Okay, the previous lesson said that my meaningless thoughts are showing me a meaningless world. Probably this is the reason why it's so difficult, because if you realize the moment you realize that this world is meaningless, nothing makes sense, so you probably can get depressed. Yeah, but according to Course in Miracles, this world is not real. Yeah, so that's why everything that seems to be happening is not real. I know how hard it can be to accept, but yeah, it's like just a movie. Yeah, people can call it like Matrix or a dream or wherever. Yeah, even AI is like telling the same thing. So that's why even if you feel like depressed, yeah, probably I'm telling this to myself. Yeah, so it's okay. Just remember that it's not true. It's not real. Yeah, it's just keep doing the work. Yeah, just keep doing the work. All right. So today I'm about to read lesson number 12. Okay, lesson 12 says, I am upset because I see a meaningless world. Okay. I am upset because I see a meaningless world. Okay. So the importance of this idea lies in the fact that it contains a correction for a major perceptual distortion. It's all about perception, huh? How we take all these things around us. You think that what upsets you is a frightening world. Yeah. Or a sad world. Yeah. Or a violent world. Yeah. Especially according to everything what seems to be happening nowadays. Yeah. Or an insane world. Oh, yeah. All these attributes are given it by you. Can you imagine? All these attributes are given it by you. I gave all these attributes to the world. Yeah. Can you imagine? Means that everything just what's happening? It's neutral. And I am the source who's given all these attributes, all these labels, yeah, all these tags to the world. How is it? Yeah. The world is meaningless in itself. The world is meaningless in itself. Yeah. These exercises are done with eyes open. Look around you, this time quite slowly. Try to pace yourself so that the slow shifting of your glance from one thing to another involves a fairly constant time interval. Do not allow the time of the shift to become markedly longer or shorter, but try instead to keep a measured, even tempo throughout. What you see does not matter. Yeah, what I see does not matter. You teach yourself this as you give wherever your glance rests on equal attention and equal time. This is a beginning step in learning to give them all equal value. Okay, as you look about you, say to yourself, I think I see a fearful world, a dangerous world, a hostile world, a sad world, a wicked world, a crazy world. Wow, this was just like describing everything what seems to be happening nowadays, yeah, these days in the world, and so on, using whatever descriptive terms happen to occur to you. So you can give your own terms, yeah, you feel like giving. So this world seems to be cruel, this world seems to be dangerous, yeah, this world seems to be whatever comes to your mind, yeah. If terms which seem positive rather than negative occur to you, include them. For example, you might think of a good world, yeah, or a satisfying world. If such terms occur to you, use them along with the rest. Because there are a lot of people, they can have different opinions, yeah. So like the world is good, yeah. The world is satisfying, yeah. Or the world is evil or cruel, whatever. So we are including the good terms as well. Okay. If such terms occur to you, use them along with the rest. You may not yet understand why these nice, in quotes, adjectives belong in these exercises, but remember that a good world implies a bad one. If there is a good world, so it means there is a bad world, right? And a satisfying world implies an unsatisfying one, yeah, because it's a world of duality, yeah. All terms which cross your mind are suitable subjects for today's exercises. Yeah, I guess it's gonna be really helpful for me today. The seeming quality does not matter. Alright, be sure that you do not alter the time intervals between applying today's idea to what you think is pleasant and what you think is unpleasant. So you spend equal time for both of them, pleasant and unpleasant adjectives. So for the purposes of these exercises, there is no difference between them. At the end of the practice period, add, but I am upset because I see a meaningless world. I am upset because I see a meaningless world. What is meaningless is neither good nor bad. It's neutral. Yeah? It's neither good nor bad. Why then should a meaningless world upset you? Such an interesting question, huh? Why a meaningless world can make me feel upset? Or how can a meaningless world make me feel upset? It's a good question, huh? Okay. They use the word should, and why then should a meaningless world upset you? It shouldn't. If you could accept the world as meaningless and let the truth be written upon it for you, it would make you indescribably happy. Wow, you can be even happy that you remember that the world is meaningless. Yeah? But because it is meaningless, you are impelled to write upon it what you would have it be. It is this you see in it. It is this that is meaningless in truth. Beneath your words is written the word of God. The truth upsets you now, but when your words have been erased, you will see His. That is the ultimate purpose of these exercises. 3 or 4 times is enough for practicing the idea for today. Nor should the practice periods exceed a minute. You may find even this too long. Terminate the exercises wherever you experience a sense of strain. Alright, once more time. So what we're gonna do for today is like wherever we see around us happening, seems to be happening, remember to say to ourselves that, especially when we get upset because of everything what seems to be happening, but saying to ourselves that I am upset because I see a meaningless world. And you remember to add that how can a meaningless world make me feel upset? It's a meaningless world, right? And the moment when you see the world to be dangerous, fearful, hostile, sad, or wicked, or crazy, remember to do this work, to remind yourself that, you know what, but I am upset because I see a meaningless world. And again, how can a meaningless world make me feel upset? It's a meaningless world, and I am the source of all of these adjectives I give to it. I know it's really difficult to accept, especially having everything happening, like dangerous things in the world. So, but probably it can really help. Remember, I'm upset because I see a meaningless world, and how can a meaningless world make me feel upset? So just probably remember to do this work along the day. Hope probably it can help you, and see you tomorrow. Bye.